Avance más allá de las funciones CAD básicas con opciones innovadoras y mejoradas que administran sus tareas más complejas y lo ayudan a administrar las operaciones de manera más productiva. Las herramientas MindSight CAD reducen los riesgos en la toma de decisiones para que usted pueda extraer con seguridad todas sus reservas explotables. Como cimiento de todos los paquetes MindSight, MindSight Core acerca su mina a la realidad en 3D. Cree, administre, manipule y despliegue los datos MindSight en 3D. Visualice sondajes, modelos, geometrías y etiquetas, interpretaciones geológicas, diseños de minas, levantamientos y topografía. Emplee MindSight Core para explorar, modelar, diseñar, planificar y operar. Manipule en forma interactiva los datos de sólidos, superficies y polígonos en MindSight 3D Advanced CAD.
Everything is so much easier now, being able to put everything into the database so much easier today. And then the interactive graphics are fantastic.
Definitely MindSight simplifies our work. Having everything in one place, right from the designing exploration holes to doing our ore control and picking up our as-built designs is certainly beneficial to us. It reduces the amount of knowledge that we need to have as a team and certainly makes us work faster.
Utilice MindSight 3D Advanced CAD para explorar, modelar, diseñar, planificar y operar. Aproveche las funciones avanzadas de MindSight 3D Geology CAD para geología con las herramientas para creación y edición de cartografías y espesores verdaderos, GeoMap Tool, GeoMap Editor y True Thickness Tool.
The True Thickness tool has really helped improve the speed of our remodeling. Basically, it allows the interpretation of the hanging wall component of the coal seam from the actual dips and true thickness in the drill hole database model. So you do your interpretation on the footwall and then allow the software to fill in the hanging wall component based on how the true thickness comes out of the database. So rather than reinterpreting hanging wall and footwall, you only have to interpret the footwalls, so basically it's cut in half the remodeling time. We've also found that when we've implemented it at sites that have previously not used it, it's really improved the accuracy of the modeling. So it's an invaluable tool.
Utilice MindSight 3D Geology CAD para explorar, modelar, diseñar, planificar y modelar. Diseñe tajos y expansiones con MindSight 3D Pit Expansion Tool.
For me, the pit expansion tool is very beneficial. In the past, we've actually done pits by offsetting polylines and then moving them up in elevation. With the pit expansion tool, you just put in your criteria, which takes about maybe 2-3 minutes at most, and you expand your pit, which in all it's probably about a 15-minute process. Whereas the old way, that's easily a 3 to 4 hour process. So just by doing that, you can come up with several options within an hour, and it's really well done. And this way, you can come up with different strip ratios, and yeah, it improves the time a lot.
As an integrated mine planning package, MindSight I think is complete, from designing our pits, figuring out what strip ratios you want. There's the pit expansion tool for that. I can quickly generate our pits.
Planifique los patrones de voladuras subterráneas con Ring Design y diseñe labores verticales por nivel con Vertical Opening Tool.
We use MindSight for our underground operations, mainly in visualizing our design and also making solids and surfaces of our as-built in the underground. We also use AutoCAD a fair bit, the ProMine attachment to AutoCAD for making prints for the underground miners. MindSight provides a much better 3D capability for the operation in that respect.